أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome back. This is lesson number 10 of our course and it's one of the most important lessons of our qaida. In lesson number 10, we will be learning Harkaat. The literal meaning of word Harakah is movement, as it helps us to move from one Arabic alphabet to another correctly. Harkaat are the bridge between two consonants and making it easy to read a word. Harkaat are the short vowels that we apply to Arabic alphabets to understand how the words should be pronounced. They also help the Arabic or non-Arabic speakers to pronounce the Quranic words correctly. There are three types of Harkaat: Fatha, Kasrah and Dammah. In this lesson, we will be learning each Harakah in more detail. Let's get started with our first Harakah, that is Fathah. Fathah means an opening, and this meaning refers to the shape of mouth. For example, its pronunciation requires an open mouth.
Fathah is always positioned on the top of the letters. It is pronounced by opening the mouth and raising the voice. The sound of Fathah is like English vowel A. Now, this is our strategy of reading the Harkaat. We will be using this learning method for all the Mutaharrik letters, meaning Arabic alphabets that are containing Harkaat. So here is what we will be doing. Step 1, letter name. Step 2, its Harakah. Step 3, its sound. Let's take letter Ba with the Fatha for our first example. We will read it like this. Step 1, letter name. Ba. Step 2, its Harakah. Fatha. Step 3, its sound. Ba. Ba, Fatha, Ba. Let's practice the Arabic alphabet with Fatha. Hamza Fatha A, Ba Fatha Ba, Ta Fatha Ta, Tha Fatha Tha, Jim Fatha Ja, Ha Fatha Ha, Kha Fatha Kha, Dal Fatha Da, Dal Fatha Da, Ra Fatha Ra, Za Fatha Za, Sin Fatha Sa, Shin Fatha Sha, Sod Fatha So, Dod Fatha Do, Ta Fatha Ta, Dha Fatha Dha, Ain Fatha A, Ghain Fatha Gha, Fa Fatha Fa, Qaf Fatha Qa, Kaf Fatha Ka, Lam Fatha La, Mim Fatha Ma, Noon Fatha Na, Waw Fatha Wa, Ha Fatha Ha, Hamza Fatha A, Ya Fatha Ya.
Let's move to the second Harakah, which is Kasrah, meaning a breaking.
Kasrah is always positioned at the bottom of the letters. It is pronounced by dropping the voice and it sounds like I or E. Now, let's apply Kasrah to the Arabic letters. Hamza Kasrah E, Ba Kasrah B, Ta Kasrah Ti, Tha Kasrah Thi, Jim Kasrah Ji, Ha Kasrah Hi, Kha Kasrah Khi, Dal Kasrah Di, Dal Kasrah Di, Ra Kasrah Ri, Za Kasrah Zi, Sin Kasrah Si, Shin Kasrah Shi, Sod Kasrah Si, Dot Kasrah Di, Ta Kasrah Ti, Dha Kasrah Di, Ain Kasrah I, Ghain Kasrah Ghi, Fa Kasrah Fi, Qaf Kasrah Ki, Kaf Kasrah Ki, Lam Kasrah Li, Mim Kasrah Mi, Noon Kasrah Ni, Waw Kasrah Wi, Ha Kasrah Hi, Hamza Kasrah I, Ya Kasrah Yi.
Third and the last Harakah is Dammah. Let's take a look into it.
Dammah is always positioned above the letters and it's pronounced by rounding the lips. The sound of Dammah is like O or U. Let's practice together by applying the previous learning method which we use for Fatha and Kasrah. Hamza Dammah U, Ba Dammah Bu, Ta Dammah Tu, Tha Dammah Tu, Jim Dammah Ju, Ha Dammah Hu, Kha Dammah Khu, Dal Dammah Du, Dal Dammah Du, Ra Dammah Ru, Za Dammah Zu, Sin Dammah Su, Shin Dammah Shu, Sod Dammah su, Dod Dammah du. Ta Dammah tu, Dha Dammah dhu. Ain Dammah u, Ghain Dammah ghu. Fa Dammah fu, Qaf Dammah ku, Kaf Dammah ku, Lam Dammah lu, Mim Dammah mu, Noon Dammah nu, Waw Dammah wu, Ha Dammah hu, Hamza Dammah u, Ya Dammah yu. When there is any harakah on the letter alif, it is pronounced as Hamza. We have to read Harkaat without stretching or without a sudden pause and in an Arabic accent. When there is a Fathah or Dammah on letter Ra, we have to read it heavy, like Ra Fatha Ra, Ra Dammah Ru. And if there is a Kasrah under it, we have to read it light, like Ra Kasrah Ri. Conclusion. Arabic letters are consonants that cannot be read on their own. They need signs on top or below them to show how they should be pronounced, which we call Harkaat, meaning movement. There are three types of Harakat: Fatha, Kasrah and Dammah. Harkaat are the short vowels that we add to Arabic letters to show how a word should be pronounced. Just like in English, where vowels can change the meaning of a word, adding or removing Harkaat can change the meaning of an Arabic word as well. Harakaat are extremely important in Arabic because changing a harakah on a letter can completely change the meaning of a word. Understanding Harakaat is essential for learning Arabic and reading the Quran correctly. If you are struggling to pronounce Arabic letters, mastering Harakaat is the first step towards learning the language.
That's all for today's lesson. We will see you soon in the next lesson, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.